Good morning, dear students. So in today's class we'll see how to find a solution satisfying given conditions for a nonlinear PDE. So we have seen for linear PDE how to find the solution of the given PDE passing through a given curve. So when a given set of conditions are given, we will see how to obtain the particular solutions for nonlinear PDE. So let us take the PDE to be f of x, y, z, pq equal to 0. So our aim is to find out the solution of this PDE such that it passes through a given curve which is having a parametric form x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, and z equal to z of t. Now the particular solution can be of the following forms. We second module different types of solution of a nonlinear PDE. So that is a complete integral which is of the form f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0. And if we give specific values for a and b, namakku particular solutions kittum. A ku b ku constant value substitute cheya, that is a particular solution. And then next we have seen what is called a general integral. A general integral is the envelope of the one parameter subsystem. So there we are finding a relation for thandirikkunna conditions upayogicha relation kandupidikka. So you will get b equal to phi of a, and then find the one parameter find the envelope of the one parameter subsystem f of x, y, z, a phi of a equal to 0. So that will give a particular solution. And മൂന്നാമത്തെ കണ്ട് singular integral ആണ്. Singular integral will be the two parameter envelope. So they are the particular solutions which are not exactly in the form f of x, y, z, a, b equal to 0. So the type of particular solution mainly we are going to find is of type b. അതായത് general integrals ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. Okay. So we'll see how to find the general integral. And now if E is the envelope which is touching the curve C, so we need to find a solution such that it touches the given curve C. So it must satisfy x equal to x of t, y equal to y of t, and z equal to z of t. Mean if the envelope is touching the curve C, then the point of intersection will be given by these two equations. So the curve C will satisfy this equation. So f of x t, y t, z t, a b will be 0. Now f equal to 0 ayadonde again when you take dou f by dou t, that will be equal to 0. So that will give you two equations. F equal to 0 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന equation വരും, then dou f by dou t equal to 0. Now here when you solve for these two equations, so when you eliminate t between these two equations, that is going to give us a relation connecting a and b. അപ്പം തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന c യുടെ coordinates substitute ചെയ്യുക. So c യുടെ coordinates substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ both the functions will be in terms of t, a and b. So on eliminating t between the equations 3 and 4, we will obtain a relation connecting a and b. So when you eliminate t between 3 and 4, so we will get a relation of the form xi of ab equal to 0. Now once you get xi of ab equal to 0, so from that we can obtain or factorize this. So you can obtain b equal to phi 1 of a, b equal to phi 2 of a, so on. Okay. ചിലപ്പം ഒരു സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും കിട്ടുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ ഗെറ്റ് മോർ ദാൻ വൺ സൊല്യൂഷൻ ഇൻ ദി ഫോം b equal to phi 1 of a, b equal to phi 2 of a. So each of the subsystem that now gives a one parameter subsystem. So if I give b equal to phi 1 of a, b equal to phi 1 of a കൊടുത്താൽ നമുക്ക് one parameter subsystem കിട്ടും. So envelope kandupidikka, that will be a solution. If you give b equal to phi 2 of a, that will give you a different solution. So that is the problem of finding a particular solution. So C will be given, the parametric representation of C edukka, then take the equations f equal to 0, dou f by dou t equal to 0, adinnu rendennum t eliminate cheya. So adinnu you will get a relation involving a and b. So using that, pinne ningal nerthe cheyidittulla procedure general integral kandupidikka. So we will see an example. Find the complete integral of the PDE p square plus q square x equal to pz and deduce the solution which passes through x equal to 0 and z square equal to 4y. So we will write the Chapit's equation. So the Chapit's equation will be dx by 2px. So I have written equation in the form p square x plus q square x minus pz equal to 0. So dx by fp varum, dy by fq, then dz by pfp plus qfq, dp by minus of fx plus pfz, then dq by minus of fy plus pfz. So values substitute cheya, derivatives substitute cheya. So this will be the Chapit's equation, and here you take the terms dp and dq, they are variable separable. Ivide p square cancel avum, so dp by minus q square varum, dq by qp. So when you solve for the equation, so you will get q dq plus p dp equal to 0. So on integrating, we will get p square plus q square equal to a square. Ini നമ്മുടെ ആദ്യത്തെ ഇക്വേഷനിൽ പി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ക്യൂ സ്ക്വയർ ഉണ്ട്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് എ സ്ക്വയർ എക്സ് ഈക്വൽ ടു പി ഇസഡ് കിട്ടും. സോ യു ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് പി ഫ്രം ഹിയർ. ഇപ്പോൾ പി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. സോ പി വിൽ ബി എ സ്ക്വയർ എക്സ് ബൈ സെഡ്. നൗ വൺസ് യു ഒബ്റ്റെയിൻ പി, യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ക്യൂ ഇൻ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ആൻഡ് സെഡ്. സോ ക്യൂ വിൽ ബി root of a square minus a square x by z whole square. Ni differential edu, appo dz will be p dx plus q dy. So you can take z to the left side, appo z dz equal to a square x dx plus a root of z square minus a square x square dy varum. And now on integrating, you will get the root as you will get the solution as root of z square minus a square x square equal to ay plus b. If you square on both sides, so that will give z square minus a square x square equal to ay plus b whole square. So we have got the complete integral. Ini നമ്മൾ parametric representation substitute ചെയ്യുക. So we are given x equal to 0 and z is equal to 4y square. Sorry, z square equal to 4y. അപ്പോൾ parameterization y equal to t square and z equal to 2t വരും. Okay. So we have y equal to t square and z equal to 2t. നീ അത് ഈ ഇക്വേഷന് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. സോ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് 2t ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ മൈനസ്, സോ എക്സ് 0 ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ ഈ ടേം പോവും. സോ 2t ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ മാത്രമേ വരുള്ളൂ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ, ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ടി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഗിവ്സ് 4t സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ ടു എ ടി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ. So we will get the equation a square t raised to 4 plus 2ab t square plus b square minus 4t square. ഇനി ഹിയർ ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് f equal to 0 it. Now we need to find the common solution for f equal to 0 and dou f by dou t equal to 0. Now if f equal to 0 ക്കും dou f by dou t equal to 0 ക്കും common solution ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ that means this equation will have a repeated root. So therefore it will have equal roots. In equal roots ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ what happens is your discriminant will be equal to 0. So therefore b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So that will give 2ab minus 4 whole square minus 4a square b square equal to 0. So that will give minus 16ab plus 16 equal to 0, or you will get it is ab equal to 1 value. So you will get ab equal to 1. So therefore b equal to 1 by a. So this will give a relation connecting a and b. Now substituting b, you will get z square minus a square x square equal to ay plus 1 by a whole square. So this is a one parameter subsystem. Now you differentiate with respect to a, and that will give the a which differentiate inverse. So you will get minus 2a x square equal to 2ay plus 1 by a into y minus 1 by a square. So obtain the envelope now. So eliminate a from the equation. Okay. So you will get minus 2ax square equal to 2ay square minus 1 by a cube varum. So that will be minus a x square equal to 2a raised to 4 minus 2a raised to 4 y square minus 2 by a cube. So minus a raised to 4 x square is equal to 2a raised to 4 y square minus 2. So that will give a raised to 4 equal to 2 by 2y square plus x square, or that is a square equal to root 2 by 2y square plus x square. Ni a square and value substitute cheya. So on substituting in the equation, namakku one parameter equation kittadinte adu substitute cheya. So that will give z square minus x square root 2 by root of x square plus 2y square. Then y a square aanu, a square value substitute cheya, plus 1 whole square by a square. So on simplifying, so you are going to get in the form. So this is the final form of the simplification. So you will get 2z square minus 2y whole square equal to 3x square plus 4y square by x square plus 2y square. So therefore the required solution is 2z square minus 2y whole square into x square plus 2y square equal to 3x square plus 4y square. So that is a required general integral.